How to change the graphics in Halo Master Chief Collection Xbox. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to change the graphics settings in Halo, the Master Chief Collection on your Xbox. Whether you're aiming for a smoother performance or enhanced visuals, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it done fast and easy. Let's get started. Part 1. Accessing Settings. First, launch the game from your Xbox home screen. Once you're in the main menu, go to Options and Career. Then select Settings. Here, you will see multiple tabs. Select the one that says Video or Game Settings. Part 2. Change graphics mode. On Xbox X or S, you will have access to a graphics mode option. You can choose between Performance mode, for smoother gameplay at higher frame rates, Enhanced mode, for better visual quality but lower FPS. Pick the one that fits your style. If you want fast gameplay, go for Performance. If you want sharp visuals, Enhanced is the way to go. Part 3. Switching between Classic and Remastered. If you're playing Halo, Combat, Evolved or Halo 2 Anniversary, you can toggle between Classic and Remastered graphics. Just press the View button on your controller, the small one with two squares, at any time during gameplay. It instantly switches the visual style. Part 4. System Level Settings. For things like HDR or 4K resolution, go to your Xbox dashboard. Navigate to Settings, General, TV and Display Options. This is where you can adjust the screen resolution and refresh rate for your console. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to change the graphics settings in Halo the Master Chief Collection on Xbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.